Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of July 30th, 2013. The charts from my software is from the Trade Navigator by Genesis Financial Technologies. And let me give you the Cliff Notes version first. This week is a mess. We've got the FOMC Wednesday, ISM Thursday, monthly employment report Friday. It's just a mess. Nobody knows what they're going to do. Okay? If that's what you wanted to know, that's it. That's the short version. You don't have to watch anymore. Now, looking at the charts themselves, the weekly bond market, you can see they haven't done much this week. They're well inside of the previous couple weeks, which weren't any big deal on their own. We have support down here in the 133 area, resistance up here in the 135.20 area. Chances are they'll hit at least one, if not both of those before the week's out, and they may even take them both out. I kind of, because of the way the indicator is, the momentum indicator has moved up here, it kind of looks like maybe they'd go test this lower band and then go higher. But, I'm saying that if this was normal price action, and as I've already said, this isn't a normal week, so who really knows? But clearly they haven't done much yet, and they're going to get to one of those areas and quite possibly both of them. Stocks are perhaps even worse. The last couple weeks have been rather quiet in the S&P, comparatively speaking, to how they've been happening, and you almost can't see this week. It's so tiny. They've got resistance up here in the 1697 area and support down here around 1675. That's only 22 points apart, and they haven't been to either of them. So clearly, they've got some sort of issues here. On one hand, the fact that they're up at new highs and then there's so little activity is disconcerting, to say the least. That's not a real positive sign. On the other hand, they're not really breaking down. And if you squinted your eyes and looked at this, if they dropped down here to 1655 or even broke all the way down here to 1605, would they look bad at that point? No, not really. So, nothing negative really here yet, just disappointment that there isn't more interest since they've gone to new highs. That usually either gets a violent rejection or encourages a bunch of buying, and so far it's kind of done neither. But again, so much happening the rest of the week, who knows where they'll be come Friday. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for checking in to see what we think.